Convert each of the following to logarithmic form using this principle, right? This is a rule that we use when you're converting. Log of c to the base a equal to b. That can be rewritten as a to the power b is equal to c. This is the index form. This is the logarithmic form. So we have here the index form. So a becomes 10. Our b becomes x. And our c becomes 10,000. So let's just substitute into this form. Let's have log. What's a? A is 10, right? And c is 10,000. That gives b as what? X. Here 2 becomes a, 7 becomes b, and 1, 2, 8 becomes c. So that gives log a, which is 2, to the base what? 7. Not the base, right? So we put 7 here. No. You have log 2, and c is what? 128. 128. You have to be real careful when doing this so that you don't get confused. And our b becomes what? 7. There you go. So for this, let's try and do it straight for it. Let's pull our log down. A is what? The base. So we put q here. Open our bracket. C comes. This is c. P is c, right? It's equal to 2 or b, right? Same thing applies here, right? We have our log. Our a becomes 5. Our c becomes 0.04. And our b becomes what? Minus 2. Remember, guys, we are using this principle. It's in this form, and you're trying to get it to this form, right? So you're going in this direction, right? From here to here. For the last one, it will give us have log. So a, just look at the arrangement. A here, right? This is 10. So the 10 is a subscript. Then c is over here. This is c. Even this form, and this is c. So 0.1 being equal to minus 1. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.